Good afternoon students, welcome to the second part of the video. Now I will show you this range, that is practically. You see, at first if I click over here, the name of the range, the name of the cell or the reference of the cell is depicted in the name box. See, in the name box it is written B4, that means the fourth row of the B column. So if I start from here and if I click, I can press shift and all this thing, then see, I have in the name box still it is showing B4, but I have selected B4 to E4, so this becomes one range. Okay, now if I type over here instead of B4, if I type B4 is to E6. Now students, please see, in this name box when I will press enter, okay, see, the whole range was selected. So this is the range. Now I can name this range. How I can name this range? Go to the formulas, define name. In the define name, over here in this dialog box I will give some name of this range. Suppose range 1, and scope means where this range can be used throughout this workbook. Okay, now over here I will use this range. How I will use this range? Use in formula range 1. Okay, before that let me write something equals to sum. Now within this bracket I will write range 1. I have selected from using formula, I have selected range 1. Press enter. See, 118, it is the sum of this range. This is called this is the way of using range in Excel. I can give some particular name to any range. Now see, there is another range. Okay, I can also use this range in different manner. Suppose this range only, I am taking this range, sorry, up to this much. Now again, create from selection. You can see C1, C2, C3, C4. I have written some column name. Create from selection, top row, it is by default selected top row. Click OK. Now if I write over here equals to max. Max means maximum number. Okay, the maximum value from this column. Now if I select C2 column, then go to use in formula, and you can see C2 is written over here. This is the name of the column. Press enter, it will show you 13 because 13 is the lowest number. Now see how formula can be helpful in Excel. In MS Word, if you make any changes in the formula or in the value, then you need to press F9 or Alt plus Control plus Alt plus Shift plus U to recalculate that formula. Over here, see, if I make it suppose 19, automatically see the summation also gets changed by 128 and the max becomes 19. I just need to press enter after changing the value. If I make over here 14, see, the summation only gets changed to 131. Okay, so that this is about using range in a formula. I hope you all got this point. Thank you, students.